Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I haven't filmed on this channel in a while, but I really wanted to do like a little fashion video. This is kind of like a haul, but it's also kind of just a fashion discussion. Kind of what I'm wearing lately, the types of things I'm gravitating towards, and kind of like how I plan to style myself during the fall and the spring, and kind of like just spring style in general. Now where I live, it's still pretty cold in the spring. Like you're gonna have your colder days in the spring, you're gonna have to bring jackets. A lot of times it's like pants weather. You could do like pants and a tank top, or like, you know, like it's not hot in the spring where I live. And I feel like a lot of people live in areas like that where you're not getting like super hot weather all the time. And so this is just kind of like the types of things I'm gravitating towards. I feel like my channel used to be very fashion focused when I first started YouTube, and I did a lot of hauls, but I think what made my hauls fun for you guys was it wasn't necessarily about the pieces themselves and like where to get the exact pieces from, because I do a lot of like Ross shopping, TJ Maxx, like thrifting and stuff. It was more about the styling of the pieces, like how to style a piece or how to find a piece that is similar to this one, if that makes sense. And I really love like the creativity of fashion, and I kind of want to like move my channel back into like that direction. This is gonna be a super catch video. It's gonna be really fun, and it's gonna be some things that I picked up recently and kind of things that I'm really excited to kind of style for the fall. So why do I keep saying fall? Spring. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did color the front of my hair. I lightened up some of the pieces. I need to tone them again. They're looking a little brassy, but I kind of like it. I think it's cute. So the first item that I have worn absolutely nonstop is this Puma sweatshirt. So I needed to update my sweatshirt collection. I was wearing the oldest sweatshirts. I feel like sweatshirts are one of those things that you never really like upgrade, because you just kind of like wear them around as like comfy, you know, things around the house. But I kind of feel like sweatshirts, like you need to find sweatshirts that you feel confident in, that you feel good in, because I like to, when I'm walking around my house, I like to feel like I can leave my house at any given time and I feel cute, I feel confident. And I was feeling like the sweatshirt collection that I had was literally from like 10 to 15 years old. And so I picked up this. This is a Puma sweatshirt, and I've always really liked Puma. I've always really liked the retro vibe that Puma has to it. I don't know what it is about Puma, but I've always really gravitated towards the brand. But the thing I love about this is it has the Puma, it says Puma on the sleeves, and this is very like oversized, and it's not hooded, which I kind of like. And I have just been wearing this with leggings pretty much every single day, and just like some slip-on shoes, like my checkered Vans, or even leopard print would look really cute with this. But it's just super basic, and I feel like it's comfortable. I could wear it with leggings around the house, or I can leave the house, still feel confident, still feel cute and like somewhat put together. So this has been like my go-to sweatshirt. I got this at Ross of all places, so you might be able to find it at your Ross as well. But I love it, and it kind of has inspired me to look for more sweatshirts that I feel confident in. The next shirt that I want to talk about is a shirt that I got from Amazon. And usually I wouldn't share like really basics like this, but the reason I'm sharing this is because you have to go on Amazon right now and you need to buy this, because it's super rare when I find something that is like perfect. Like it just checks off every box that I need, right? So this is the brand Rayora, and I got this on Amazon. So basically this is just a little tank top. And it's like, what kind of material is this? It's kind of like fancy biker short material, but the interesting thing about this is it's like double lined. So it's the same fabric on the inside as it is on the outside, and you can see the seam is like right along the edge, which makes it like really high-end looking, and it's extremely stretchy. It's like a workout top, but I wear this under everything. Now the thing that's so amazing about this top is it feels so nicely made, and it's the perfect length. So I am, like you guys know, I'm a mom. I don't like to go too cropped with my shirts, but I also don't like to go too long. Like I'm always looking for like this perfect length of a shirt that just shows like a little bit of like stomach, but not like too much stomach, you know what I mean? And I feel like this tank top is the absolute perfect length, where it's not too short, but it's not too long. And so you're getting like that perfect amount of like stomach, especially with like a high-waisted like pant or shorts or something, or even like skirt. So I really love this tank top. I want to go on Amazon and buy more of these in different colors, because I wear this freaking shirt so often. It's so nice to wear under sweatshirts. It's nice to wear working out. It's nice to wear under like a flannel. Best shirt ever. I'm telling you guys, you need to go on Amazon. I'm gonna try to find the link and I'll put it down below so you guys can find it easily, but it is one of my favorite tank tops. The other thing that I love during the springtime is trouser style pants that are high-waisted and slightly tapered. So they kind of have a little bit of a baggier feel to them, but they're kind of tapered at the bottoms. And I love wearing trouser style pants like that with a tank top, like the tank top I just showed, and sandals. I just like that look, or even like combat boots if it's a little bit colder outside. It's just such a good look, and it's perfect for like that so warm weather where it's not completely hot, but it's not like cold either. It's just like the perfect outfit to wear for like those sort of warm days. And I have picked up a ton of like trouser style pants lately. These ones are from Make Me Chic, and you guys saw these actually in an Instagram post. I'll put it here so you guys can see it, but these are just like these camel colored trouser pants. Now these are really interesting because they're super duper thick and they almost feel like cheap Carhartts. Like it has that same, like, I wouldn't say Carhartts. They're not exactly like Carhartts, but they feel more like thick and durable, like a work pant would feel. And they're high-waisted and they have the pleat right here in the front. But I love how high-waisted these are, and I also love that they taper at the bottom and they have like a wider leg. I got the size, I'm pretty sure I got a medium in these, and I'm usually like a size 4 in like adults and then 7 in juniors, and I think I got a medium in these. And they are so flattering, they fit really well. I just wore them with like a cropped black shirt and then combat boots, and it looked so cute. But these will also look super cute with just like a tank top like the one I showed, and then like sandals, like whatever sandals you want, like Birkenstocks if you're a Birkenstock person or whatever. I just think that these pants are so cute. And I also love these high-waisted trouser style pants with a belt. The belt just adds that finishing touch, you know? Love these pants, and I'll try to find the link for you guys and link it down below if you guys are interested in these, but they're so cute. I love them. So these are also Amazon pants, and these are like faux trousers. These are like comfy trousers. These are like kind of pants that you can kind of fake and make them look really like nice and cute and kind of high end, but they're kind of like sweatpants, which I really love. So these would be really good for like traveling. So if you're flying on an airplane, you have a really long trip ahead of you, these are the pants to wear because they're so flippin' cute. But they're basically just black, and they have this really big waistband. And this fabric is different than this fabric. This is more of like a stretchy kind of like cotton fabric. This is more of like a polyester. And they go down into a little cuff right here, but the cool thing about the cuff is it has a little like V, you guys can see, so it kind of adds like a little bit of style to the cuff. Like even just a little detail like this can make a huge difference, I feel like, with these types of pants. But I love these. These are high-waisted, and you can just wear them high on your waist with like a white tank top and sandals and just a little bit of like accessories like earrings. And it's so cute, so comfortable, and actually quite cool. Like you're not gonna get hot in these, I feel like, because they're just lightweight. And I love these so much. I cannot wait to wear the heck out of these during the spring. I go into Gap very occasionally, okay? I'm not a huge Gap fan, but my husband sometimes buys things at Gap, and I go in there sometimes. And Gap has had these specific pants in their store forever, and every time I see them, I'm like, I want those so bad. But they were like 70-something dollars. How much were they? $79. And I'm like, I can't justify spending $80 on a pair of pants. Like, I love them, but I just can't do it. So every single time I go into Gap, I would like look at these pants and I was like, I want them so bad. And then one day I went in there with my mom and I was like, aren't these pants just like the best pants ever? And she's like, oh yeah, those are cute. And I tried them on for her and stuff. She got them for me for Christmas, you guys. And I was so excited because these pants are so cute. So I don't know if they still have them. I doubt it. And if they do, they might be on the sale rack at this point. But they came in so many different colors. I got this red shade, and they don't have a button, so it's just like elastic. But it is just like that soft, silky pant. It kind of tapers down below. It has the belt loops, so you can put a belt with it, which, like I said, I love that look with the belt. They're so cute. I'm telling you guys, if you can go to Gap, please go as soon as you can, see if they still have these and buy them. Like I said, they probably, it wouldn't surprise me if they're on the sale rack by this point, but they're so cute. They're high-waisted, so they sit really high on your waist with just a tank top, sandals. everything. It's such an easy outfit to put together. So these like just soft, easy to wear trousers are everything to me. And they have to be high-waisted as well. The buttons look like this, so. And then last but not least, I just picked these up at TJ Maxx. These are green ones, and they just have a little tie around the waist. These ones are a little bit more like loose and baggy, but I feel like with the right top, you can make these look really, really like stylish. I feel like some pants you need to wear like a tight shirt, and then other pants you need to wear like a baggier top. But I feel like with this, because they're a little bit on like the looser side, I feel like a tight fitted black tank top would be really, really cute. Again, these are not cuffed, but they do taper at the bottom, and they have a little drawstring. Like I said, I usually like it if I can wear a belt, but these are still cute, and they're high-waisted, and I really love this like really downplayed green color. Like I said, these are from TJ Maxx. They are the brand Joey, Joie, and I got a size medium, and they're very, very cute. And I just love the color, so. Okay, so I really wanted to talk about these because I am absolutely obsessed with these right now. Like, you know when you find a pair of pants, like a brand of pants that you are like obsessed with because they just fit you like a glove? Well, I found mine, and it's a Walmart brand. And I already have talked about this with you guys. It's the No Boundaries brand. And I literally got rid of all of my pants. Like all of my jeans that I think I'm going to wear, but I don't actually wear, like, you know those pants, we all have them. I just literally donated all of them and then repurchased a bunch of pants in this brand. Like every pair of jeans in my wardrobe now are jeans that I actually like and that I actually want to wear because I found the brand that I really, really like. And I just feel like these pants are really nice. And I feel like they would fit so many different body types. So like I said, No Boundaries. I have talked about these already on this channel before, and I've showed you guys some other No Boundaries jeans that I have picked up, but these were my most recent pair. They were only $17.98, and I got a size 7. Like I said, I wear 7 in juniors, but they're half and half. They have the light side and the white side, and they're a little bit on like the loose side, but they're not overly loose, which I really, really like, and they are tapered at the bottom. So I just roll up the bottoms like that. And they're high-waisted, so you're gonna get the high-waisted look. But these are so cute with just like a black belt and then a simple top. You guys know me, I'm simple, but I have my style. But I just feel like these are so, so, so cute with just the right accessories. I love that they're half and half. I actually saw this girl last summer wearing a pair of half and half pants, but the thing that was so cool about hers is that they zipped. So you zipped them apart, and then you could like zip them to the right half. So like she bought 2 pairs of pants and then she just zipped the wrong halves together. And it looked so cute. And I was like, where did you get your pants? Those are so cute. But she said they were like super duper expensive. And I was like, yeah, not gonna happen. But then I found these and it kind of has the same look, the half and half look. And I just think it's so flippin' cute. I don't love light colored pants as much as like darker pants, like darker jeans, but I feel like I can make these work. One thing, here's like a random fashion tip that I, for some reason, follow, and I don't know how I created this in my head, but I feel like it's just like this natural tendency in me, and so maybe this will help you guys. Whenever I have like a light bottom, so like light denim, I always pair it with a darker top, like a black top, because I just feel like it balances out. Like I don't like light pants with a light top, you know what I mean? I can do dark top with a dark bottom, but even if I do like a black pant, I really like to pair a black pant with like a lighter colored top. Like I just like that balance. So the next shirt is a shirt that I was so flipping excited about. Like, you know when you find an item at like a thrift store or like Ross or TJ Maxx and you're like, oh my God, like that is the most amazing shirt I've ever seen. And I found this one at Ross and it was the only one that I could find. I couldn't find one anywhere else in the store because this is a large and I needed a medium, but I was like determined to find a medium and I couldn't find any other ones in the store. So I ended up buying this one because it was fine. But it is this adorable button-up cat shirt. It has like leopards on it, I think. And it's the brand Milk and Honey. I actually tried to look this up online, like on Amazon to see if I could find something like this, and I can't find it. But it's so cute. Like this paired with like black jeans, a little cropped, maybe white shirt underneath would be so cute. I cannot wait to wear this. This was only $11.99. And I would probably wear this unbuttoned with a cropped shirt underneath, just like a little bit of skin showing. I feel like that's a good like balance when you have like a really long blouse like this, just to have like a little tiny bit of skin just adds a little bit of interest. So next is a shirt that's actually kind of unique, something I wouldn't normally buy for myself, but I tried it on and it was just really comfortable. And one thing that I really like is finding comfortable shirts that are a little bit more on the dressy side, because I don't dress up often, but when I do dress up or I do want to kind of look a little bit extra dressy, I like my dressy clothes to be comfortable. And this was like the perfect mix of like dressy and comfortable. And it's black. You guys know how I feel about black. So this is the brand Japra, I believe. That is a horrible, horrible font. If you can't even read the brand, like, that's a bad font. So $14.99, I got this at TJ Maxx and I got a size medium. And I got this very recently, so you guys might be able to find it. It's basically just a little cropped shirt. It has like that stretchy, I don't know what you call this. It's like that ruched type of fabric here. And then it has just long sleeves in the same fabric. And it's kind of cropped, so you get a little bit of skin between your shirt and your pants. And I feel like I would wear this with like high-waisted black denim. I think that would be really, really cute. But I just really like this because I love the big neckline. It's very, very comfortable. I feel like it holds me in. Like, I love shirts that hold me in. And I feel like this definitely has that feel to it. And it's just very, very, very flattering. So another thing that I picked up was just this little leopard print like cami. I got this at TJ Maxx as well, and the thing I liked about this is I can wear this underneath like a black shirt, like maybe a black shirt that has big like armholes, or under maybe like a black button-down shirt that I leave open. Like, this could just be the little like accent piece. Usually if I have an accent piece, I like to keep the rest of my outfit pretty simple. That's just kind of like my style. And I really, really like this. I feel like I'll get a lot of use out of it and I'll be able to pair it with a lot of different things. I also have a lot of shirts like this, which I wanted to talk about. It's a like see-through mesh shirt. Now this is actually a swimsuit cover, and I think I could probably find the link to this for you guys as well, but this is just a really, really baggy, long swimsuit cover. And the thing I like about this is it's mesh, so you can see your swimsuit through it, which I think is a very cool look. But I think it would be cool to pair something like this with this leopard print shirt underneath. But I think that would be kind of a fun look with just like a pair of jeans, or like boyfriend jeans, or black jeans of some sort, or whatever. So, and then the last thing I wanted to share, sorry, everything is on the ground right now, is this white t-shirt. So this t-shirt is very specific to why I want to share it with you guys. So this I got on Amazon as well. And the thing I like about this shirt specifically is they made the neck really, really low on purpose. So they wanted this to kind of go down here, so you can kind of wear something underneath if you want, if you have like a bralette that you really like. They wanted this shirt to go low on purpose for like that more loose, casual like style, if you know what I mean. So this is like a really, really nice shirt to have if you do love like that really low peekaboo. You could also just wear a regular bra with this and you'll get a lot of cleavage, which is definitely a certain look and a certain vibe that a lot of people go for, which I personally really like. And the thing about this is it's not too low. So even if you did want that like long cleavage look and you did want to have a little bit more cleavage showing with maybe like a jacket over the top, like give you that really casual vibe, you know what I'm talking about. This is a great shirt because it's low, but it's not like too low. But they made it really low on purpose to give you that look, that's a very specific look. So if you're looking for a shirt, like a white shirt that's like really specific to like a look you're going for, this is a great one and I love it. So I'm gonna try to link this one down below for you guys as well. And I think this comes in like a lot of different colors as well. So this is the brand Biove and I got a medium. So that is it, you guys. That is like some of the basic things that I picked up recently and kind of like some ideas that I'm going for like the springtime, kind of how I plan to style my looks and just some like fashion ideas. Like I said, I just like to talk about fashion. I like to talk about how I'm gonna style things and stuff like that. So hopefully this gives you some ideas and you are inspired to kind of like find some similar items. I don't know. So like I said below, I'm gonna try to link as many of these as I can below. And I hope you guys found this video interesting. So thanks for watching and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.